Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I would like to discuss about advanced use of count ifs function, average ifs function, and sum ifs function. So how we can utilize all three functions on single data sets. On the basis of selections, I will get calculations in our data sets, summarized data sets. So let's see how we can apply it. I have already defined about all these functions one by one. Now I will let you know directly how we can utilize it. Now you have to move in datasets. So this is my dataset. In summary sheet, we don't have anything. So first I will create a data on the basis of I need to take calculations. So you have to copy the department and paste here. I'm pasting it, and you have to remove the duplicate value. Go to data, go to remove duplicate, click on OK, and here I will take gender. So here I'm taking male, and here I will take female. Okay, so copy it and paste here format, and here I will take it in table, all borders. Okay, so now what I have to do here? Here I will create a drop down list, and here I will create a drop down list of functions. So here I'm going to data, data validation, list, and here I will take function name count if, count ifs, sum ifs, average, I can take here average ifs and sum ifs. Click on OK. Now I'm getting list of the function. If I select here count ifs, then I will get value number of employees count on the basis of department and gender. Okay. If I select here average ifs, I will calculate here total salary on the basis of department and gender here. If I select here average ifs, then I will get calculations of sum on the basis of department and gender. So it's completely, the calculation is completely depends on your selections in this drop down list. Whatever selection I will give, same calculation I will get into this area. So I'm just doing a little bit formatting part. So here I'm taking this one. Okay. And here I want to change the here. Here I will apply the function. So I have already told you the scenario. First I'm selecting count ifs. So you have to take number of employees count on the basis of department and gender. So you need to apply here equal to if. In if you have to pass three parameter logical test, value if true. If this logical test will be true, then I will get the result for true. Otherwise, I will get result for false. So what I have to do? Here I need to take a reference of this drop down list as a logical test. Freezed it. Why I'm freezing here complete row column? Because this value is not movable. Equal to, you need to take here count ifs. If I'm selecting here count ifs, then I need to count number of employees count on the basis of conditions. So you need to apply here count ifs. Now first condition is department. You have to select department range from datasets. Freeze it, comma, then criteria. So you have to take here criteria as a department, freeze here, comma, second criteria range. So second criteria range is gender. So you have to go to datasets and take complete range of gender, freeze here, comma, you have to go to this datasets, and here you need to select male, and here you need to freeze only row, F4 two times to freeze row. Now why I'm freezing here row? Because column is movement in gender part. So D column has male, E column has female. So that's why I'm freezing here uh, row, not column. Row is 4. 4 is fixed here. D4, E4. That's why I'm freezing here row. Now enter. Now you are getting number of employees count on the basis of department. See here. Now what I have to do? Here I need to take another condition. In case I select here other function, you will get false. If I select here Sumifs, so you will get false. How we can replace this false with any message? So I have checked the logical test here. In if, I have checked the logical test here. If my condition is true, condition, when I will get the condition true? Whenever I will select here count ifs function, then this logical test will be true. If my logical test is true, then this function will work. Now I'm just removing last column, apply here if, another if, you have to take reference of this, pressed it, equal to, you need to take function name, average ifs, inverted comma, comma, then you have to take average ifs, then first reference is average range. So in average range, you have to take average salary on the basis of department and gender. So you have to go there and take complete range of total salary. Freezed it, comma, then you have to take criteria range 1. My criteria range 1 is department. We have two condition only, department and gender. So we can swap our condition. We can take first criteria as a gender, second criteria as department. We can swap. We will not get any impact on result set. So here I am taking first condition as a department, freezed it, comma, criteria. Criteria will be department again here, and freezed here, column, pressed F4 three times to freeze our column, comma, then second condition is gender. So you have to take again complete range of gender column, freeze it, comma, go there, and you have to take gender as a D4, freeze here row, and enter. Now you are getting average salary on the basis of this one, male and female and department. So here I'm getting error because no female member in production department. That's why you are getting error. So I will let you know how we can replace the error. I will complete all the functions part. Then I will let you know how we can replace the error. So what you have to do next? So now my last condition is for sum ifs. So in sum ifs, I need to calculate the salary on the basis of department and gender. So you need to remove last bracket, comma, you have to keep only one bracket, then comma, if this drop down value is sum ifs, then you have to apply sum ifs function. Your sum ifs function first parameter is sum range. You can see here, this is sum range. You have to go there and take complete range of salary to sum up your data. Frised it, comma, criteria range is departments and gender. So here I'm taking criteria as a gender first criteria. Frised, comma, you have to take reference of gender as a male in D4 and frised here row, comma, second criteria is you have to take as a department. So you have to select complete range of department excluding header, comma, go there and you have to take department frised here column, bracket close, enter, done. Now you have to drag in right side and down side. So here I'm getting some value as well. Okay. Average value I'm not getting, count value I'm getting, but in average ifs function I'm getting error. So if I want to replace the error with message, so what I have to do here, you need to apply if error. So if error, then you have to take 0 as a output. So you need to apply here 0, then enter, drag in right side and down side. Instead of arrow, you will get 0. So this is the advanced use of aggregated functions. Aggregated functions means Countifs, Sumifs, and Averageifs. So these types of function you will use in your report designing and development. So this is a very good functions to apply the function with if logical function. Thank you so much for this video.